War with Iran? It could happen. Maybe. We'll see. Anyhow, Israel attacked an Iranian embassy in Damascus and ended up killing a whole bunch of Iranian officers. Iran responded by sending drones and missiles from Iran into Israeli airspace. The United States military helped shoot down most of the drones and missiles. So now the thing is, does that mean war is going to happen? Well, as of current, Iran, as the time I made this, Iran has not retaliated with any other attacks against U.S. Interests. Joe Biden has said he's going to look for a diplomatic solution with Iran. Talk about doing a G7 solution or something like that. But anyhow, this is what it is. Israel probably attacked the embassy, the Iranian embassy, because those officers were probably engaged in aiding Hezbollah, and then Hezbollah is attacking Israel. Who knows? This is a bunch of back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But this back and forth caused the U.S. Navy to get involved.